Hello everyone. In this video we're going to be going over how to multiply and divide fractions. The first fraction we're going to work on is half times 5 over 4. Whenever we're multiplying fractions, we want to multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. 1 times 5 is 5 and 2 times 4 is going to be 8. The next question we're going to work on is 1 over 4 times 5 over 3. Here we're going to multiply the two numerators together. 1 times 5 is 5. And the two denominators together. 4 times 3 is 12. Next we have 10 over 3 times 11 over 6. We can multiply the two numbers on top together. 10 times 11 is 110. 3 times 6 is going to be 18. Both of these numbers are divisible by 2. So we can divide the top number by 2 and we can divide the bottom number by 2. 110 divided by 2 is going to be 55, and 18 divided by 2 is going to be 9. The next question we have is 1 over 6 divided by 8 over 11. Whenever we're dealing with division, we want to use something called keep, change, flip. We're going to keep the first fraction the same. We're going to change the division to multiplication, and we're going to flip the last fraction so that it is 11 over 8. Now we can multiply the two numbers on top together. 1 times 11 is 11. And we can multiply the two numbers in the bottom together. 6 times 8. Sorry about that. 6 times 8 is going to be 48. Next we have 1 over 3 divided by 13 over 9. When we're dividing two fractions, we're going to keep the first fraction the same. We're going to change the division to multiplication, and we're going to flip the second fraction. Now we can multiply the two numbers on top together and the two numbers in the bottom together. 1 times 9 is 9. 3 times 13 is 39. Both 9 and 39 are divisible by 3. So we can divide both the top and the bottom by 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. 39 divided by 3 is 13. And this will be our final answer for this question. Next we have 11 over 2 divided by 1 over 2. We're going to keep the first fraction the same. We're going to change the division to multiplication, and we're going to flip the second fraction to 2 over 1. Now that we have multiplication in between these two fractions, we can multiply the two numerators together. 11 times 2 is 22. And we can multiply the two denominators together. 2 times 1 is 2. 22 divided by 2 will be 11. Next we have 1 over 3 times 20 over 9. 1 times 20 is 20. 3 times 9 is 27. 20 and 27 do not have any factors in common. So this is our final answer, the most simplified version. The last question for this video will be 17 over 6 divided by 3 over 5. we're going to keep the first fraction the same. We're going to change the division to multiplication, and we're going to flip the last fraction to 5 over 3. 17 times 5 is going to be 85, and 6 times 3 will be 18. If you've made it this far, please make sure that you subscribe to our channel, like this video so that it's pushed out to more people, and I'll see you in the next one.